Good afternoon. I'd like to bring the Tuesday, March 17th meeting of the Personnel and Human Services Committee to order. Deanne, would you take a roll, please?
Lutz.
Here.
Tilly.
Here.
Duranster.
Here.
Gibb.
Here.
Moonen.
Excused.
Eric.
Here.
Krieger.
Yes.
Warren present.
Thank you. Before us, we have the minutes of last month of 2/17/15. What is your pleasure?
Motion approved.
Support.
Motion to approve and support. Any discussion? Seeing none, all in favor, aye?
Aye.
All opposed, same sign. Motion carries. At this time, we have time for public input. And those wishing to address the committee, step forward, and they're just racing to the podium.
They're all at the pub.
We have a full.
So seeing none, we will continue on. We will go to petitions and communications. Under item A, we have the recreation manager for the Civic Arena advertising program. What is your pleasure?
So moved. Support.
Anybody here to speak to that? No, Brent's not here? Yes.
I can.
Okay.
This is just an advertising program where we provide advertising in our bathrooms by our drinking fountains and things like that, and then we get free advertising in other locations, bars, places like that around the city. We don't do a lot of advertising outside of our newsletter and our Facebook and our website, so this is a free deal for us, and we'd like to partake in it.
I was gonna say, everybody likes free.
Everybody likes free.
Everybody likes free.
So, yes, Commissioner Krieger.
So we're signing a contract even though it's free, correct?
Yeah, yep, they have us sign a very minimal contract, and once we get approval, I'll have Amber review it
Okay.
and make sure that it's good to go.
It'll be a year at a time?
We can make that, yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Is there, are they like remotely done?
They're actually located, their office is located in Bay City, but they're pretty much statewide. Like I saw in Everywhere You Go advertisement in Lansing last weekend.
No, I mean, I imagine it's the LED type thing.
No, this is like a piece of
Poster.
paper, and it's like kind of like a poster. It's really brightly colored, and it has all your information on it. So we'll get to dictate what information goes on it. So it'll say like public skate, the dates and the times and things like that.
Oh, okay, so it's just a single sheet. It's not a book.
Nope.
Okay, any other discussion? Seeing none, all in favor? Aye? Aye. All opposed, same sign. Motion carries. From the Health Director, under item B, we have the agreement with Northeast Michigan Services, Community Service Agency for Head Start. What's your pleasure on that one?
So moved.
Support.
A motion and support, any discussion? Do you want to say anything about that, Joel?
It's just a basic agreement to provide looks like physicals and vaccinations for kids in early Head Start. So much needed service. There's kids that are they're supposed to begin the school year with physicals and medical care, but not all of them can access it. So it's just another example where we're trying to bring services to the community.
And how would somebody get that service from you?
What would the Head Start or NEPSCO would make the referral to us, and we would get in touch with the parents and schedule them through the clinics that we have.
Okay. Any other questions or comments? Thanks, Joel. Seeing none, all in favor, aye? Aye. All opposed, same sign. Motion carries. Next up is the agreement with Viridian Health Management. And what is your pleasure on that one? So moved.
Support.
Motion and support. Any discussion? Seeing none, all in favor?
Aye.
All opposed, same sign. Motion carries. We move on to Personnel Director. We have the renewal of the memberships agreement with Delta College Fitness and Recreation Center.
So moved. Support. We're battling.
Stereo.
I defer to the chair.
Okay. Any discussion? Yes.
Just want to mention the community center has a good program too. If it's closer to somebody to come down there, and I think it's a good facility there with our weight room now too. So another option besides Delta.
I think we have 9 memberships being approved, right? For Delta. Any other discussion? Seeing none, all in favor?
Aye.
Opposed, same sign. Motion carries. Next, we have under Personnel Director, the vacancies. We have 1 in 911 dispatch for 2 dispatchers, full-time.
So moved.
Support.
Any discussion on the motion? Yes, Commissioner.
Yeah. When we keep filling these positions, normally how long does someone that becomes a 911 dispatcher stay with us? I know that's high stress. It's a tough field that they're in. I'm just curious because we see this periodically. There's always 1 or 2 vacancies, 1 or 2 vacancies. Are we just not hiring the right age, or is it just the job burns you out prematurely?
A little bit of both, Commissioner.
Okay.
The dispatcher, one of the dispatchers we're filling has been there for 5 years. He's leaving to go to the MSP, become a trooper. He's always wanted to be a law enforcement official. The other individual is here for about 9 months and just found his dream job, he told me. So that kind of thing. We do have a lot of turnover during the training period. When we came on board, is around 40%. We're at like 70, 75%. So 1 out of 4 won't make it through the training. It's just really hard. Once they make it through the training, we find at least 3 to 5 years, for the most part, the dispatcher will stay. We've got 1 retiring in May, we're going to know for sure. And then we're filling the individual who's leaving for his dream job in Dan's spot. So.
The other question I have is, with us having Saginaw Valley and Delta so close, can they be a filler unit that we could go to looking for people that are seeking a job, let's say, in this position?
We actually have we work with both SBSU and Delta through their criminal justice program. Look for individuals who are interested in criminal justice program but don't want to see them run with blood, those type of things. So we try to identify those individuals and also work with Midland and Saginaw 911 centers as well, knowing that they're in the same position. We're trying to find individuals throughout the area.
I know it's tough. You go through all the training and everything, and then all of a sudden you got to start all over again. So trying to hold on to these people is a challenge.
It's a big challenge. It's a hard job. It's a stressful job. We have individuals that have been there for 25 plus years. And like I said, some individuals a year and a half, 2 years, and they're ready to identify that perfect person. The perfect person for me as a dispatcher is if they have a 4-year criminal justice degree. While they're working for that degree, they were a waiter or a waitress, so they can multitask. Don't want to be in the front line, but want to be in the back, and community-minded too. During that time when they were going through school, or they were part of the civic unit too, so they want to stay here in the community. If we can find those individuals, they're really perfect for that.
So I'm to assume that this obviously is your dream job, so you're going to be here a while, correct?
You know.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
One more thing.
Yeah.
Anybody else have any questions? We're looking for 2 positions now. The one that's leaving for the state police and the other one. Then you said there's another one coming up in May. Do we want to?
We've got last month we approved the individual, Dan, who is leaving for MSP. And then this month is the individual who has been here for 9 months and is leaving. The person we know is moving on.
Okay, I want to make sure that we're covered for that third individual. Okay. Any more discussion? Seeing none, all in favor? All opposed, same sign? Motion carries. Under item B, we got building and grounds, this is custodian, because we have one temporarily leaving. And this will be just to fill in temporarily during the absence, I believe.
So moved.
Support.
Any discussion on this? Seeing none, all in favor? All opposed, same sign. Motion carries. Under item D, we have Office of Assigned Counsel 2014 year-to-date report.
Move to receive.
Support.
Any discussion? Yes, Commissioner Creed.
Just a question. So, Bob, you were really instrumental in getting this all thrown together. Is it showing everything that needs to be out there for us commissioners to keep tabs of what's actually going on with corporate counsel? Because we know they are very busy.
This is assigned counsel.
Oh, okay.
It'd be Schiff's contract.
That's right. I'm sorry, I was thinking something entirely different. Thank you.
Any other discussion? Seeing none, all in favor to receive?
Aye.
All opposed, same sign. Motion carries. Under item E, we have the Supervisor of Building and Grounds for the 2015 and future year auctions. Thinking ahead.
So moved.
Support.
Any discussion on this? Do you want to speak to it or no, John?
Actually, I don't think we've done this in the past. Every year we put out an auction, but so this year we hold it every first couple weeks of May.
Right.
It's a county auction, surplus or unusable items. Normally hire a butler. He puts the auction on for us. We've got this year scheduled for May 15th, I believe.
Okay, and then we also advertise that on our website too here to come. Okay. And I imagine Butler does too.
Yes, he does advertise too. He's got flyers that he puts out. You've seen the auctioneer flyers.
Okay. Yes, Tom.
Could I bring the stuff out of my basement on that too?
If it's leftover county equipment, go right ahead.
Yeah, it probably is.
Actually, I was just going to let people come and take whatever they want.
I was gonna say, does the county get to take the money?
Trying to get back all the stuff you took earlier.
I'm not sure what line item that would go in for sale.
Junk.
Reusables, hopefully. Any other discussion? Any other questions? Seeing none, all in favor? Aye?
Aye.
All opposed, same sign. Okay. We are now moving on to referrals. I didn't think we had any, I remember. I don't know that we have any unfinished business. Any new business? Any miscellaneous? Yes, Commissioner Krieger.
Thank you. Kristen, do we have a target date for activity at the golf course? I mean, our snow's just about gone.
It is. Brent's out today, he's not feeling well, but I did talk to him yesterday, and we're kind of just waiting for the frost level to go down on the green so we can get people out there. There's a little bit of standing water, but that's pretty normal for the spring. So I am keeping my fingers crossed every day that it opens very, very soon.
Very good. All right, thank you.
Yes, Commissioner.
Just a reminder about the Walk for Warmth coming up this Saturday at 9 a.m. at the Midland Center for the Arts. 9 a.m. registration, 10 o'clock is the walk, and I'd like to thank those people that have donated already.
So you're walking, so you're looking
I
for
actually will be
pledges?
out of town, so
Oh.
just donating, just to donate.
Okay.
Sorry. I should have told you I'm not walking.
Okay. Here, I was trying to give you a plug. All right, anything else?
Move to adjourn.
Support.
Motion to adjourn is always in order. All in favor? Aye. All opposed, same sign. We are adjourned. At 4:17.
You better.